Hi, today I'm going to show you the TimeCoinProtocol. Is the decentralized sharing economy protocol. They are using the Ethereum blockchain. It's open source and community managed, and no data reselling, no deplatforming, and no exploitation of monopoly position. And as you can see, the special token sale is now on, and you have the huge discounts on Timecoin, so I will just show you it today. I hope you will like this site, you will like my video, and we can just start. Alright, so as you can see on the homepage of the site, here you have the price change of the TMCN token, and as you can see it's 2,850.79%, so it's a great information for us. And as you can see here you have this picture. So here is the Ethereum blockchain, Timecoin protocol, and the apps. And here's the transportation, space, professional services, and personal services. And I'll just show you now the most important thing of the Timecoin protocol. So it's a token sale. As I said, it's on the sale now. And here you have the background of special token sale. So the IEO was a great success, and the Timecoin, the symbol TMCN, was listed on, and the offering conducted by Bitforex, one of the top performing global cryptocurrency exchanges, on 11th November 2020. And the IEO price of Timecoin was 1 TMCN is $0.7. The initial price formed after the IEO was 1 TMCN is $11 and continued to rise. The price change on that day ended up 2,850%, as I said at the beginning, from the initial price. As of 18th December 2020, it still remains at the level of 1 TMCN is $11. As you can see, funding status of the project and Timecoin so far. So despite the success of IEO, they have not conducted any further private sales of Timecoin and have only sold small amounts of Timecoin prior to the IEO to Bitforex. And until now, Timecoin protocol project has been financed by equity funding with approximately $4 million. As a result, the value of Timecoin remains high, and they are now raising funds for enhancement development. So as you can see, the fully functional Timecoin protocol, as well as the project's app Esport Stars, was released in October and is expected to grow more rapidly than they had anticipated, necessitating additional development for Esport Stars. As an enhancement of the project's apps, they also decided to implement DeFi and NFT functionalities, and to defray the associated development and marketing costs, they decided to sell Timecoin. And here's the token sale details. So important information. So here as you can see, the first round, so the sale round, here are the total number of Timecoins, selling price, discount rate, and sale period. And here as you can see is 5 million TMCN. 1 TMCN is so many Bitcoin. Discount rate 93% off, and sale period, as you can see, 15th February 2021 to 30 April 2021. And the second round sale, 5 million TMCN also. The selling price is 1 TMCN, so many Bitcoin. The discount rate 85% off, and the sale period, as you can see, 1st May 2021 to 31st May 2021. And here are the notes on purchasing Timecoins. So the Timecoins will be available for purchase from Shenzhen Helei in Bitcoin, USDT, or Ethereum. For both rounds purchases, will be accepted from 0.015 Bitcoin, 500 USDT or 0.3 Ethereum. If no payment is received by Shenzhen Helei within 10 days of the purchase application, the application will be automatically cancelled. So please be careful, as you may not receive the TMCN you purchased if you deposit after the 11th day. Lockup period will apply and be split into 4 parts as outlined in the table below. The end date of the second round sale may be shortened or extended by Shenzhen Helei. And here you can see the lockup period ends here the first, so 30 days after the end of the second round sale, second 60 days, third 90 days, fourth 120 days. And here on each unlocking date, purchasers will receive % of their TMCN. Here at the first is 25%, second 25, third 25, fourth 25. Also, as you can see, the same rate of percents. And here are the purchase process. So first apply to purchase via the forum. So here you can apply. I will just show you it. Receive the confirmation email from the admin. Make a payment. Deposit Bitcoin, USDT or Ethereum within 10 days of purchase application. All instructions are in the confirmation mail. Receive your payment confirmation email from the admin. It takes a business day or 2 after the payment is made. And receive the TMCN for your purchase due date as defined in the agreement. And here as you can see, you can just click apply, and here you got to write your email address. And as you can see, you got to agree with those terms. So first, you are not a citizen of the US or China mainland, Japan, as well as here these countries. Then you are willing to verify your identity. You have an ERC20 compatible wallet which can add custom tokens and where you can control the private keys. You hereby confirm by completing the order process that you don't act in the capacity as consumer. You have really agree with the privacy policy, and you hereby accept the token purchase and delivery agreement. And then you got to click submit. As you can see, I just verified it with my email. And here you got to write your first and last name, a middle name optional, current country of residence, your Ethereum address for receiving the TMCN, and which coin you will pay in, so Bitcoin, US dollar, Tether or Ethereum, how much you will purchase in your chosen currency, and here are the list of purchase amounts choice, and your address from which you send your chosen currency, and here the same table as I just showed you, and then you got to click confirm. Alright, so we are back at the homepage of the TimeCoinProtocol site. And here you have this video. It's 2 minutes long. You can just see it if you want. And here you can see the sharing economy platforms are broken. So the sharing economy is booming, but power is skewed towards the platforms such as Uber, Airbnb and Upwork. It's hard for competitors to attract buyers and sellers. Leading sharing economy marketplaces become monopolies, and advantage they exploit to extract a large portion of value. And here is why they built on TimeCoinProtocol. So first, it's easier development with TimeCoinProtocol ADK. Second, decreased user acquisition cost due to mobility of users between the apps. Third, you can be a part of a fairer sharing economy. Here the TimeCoinProtocol architecture. So here the chat room, decentralized applications, decentralized DB, application, common libraries, open source search server, the TimeCoinProtocol. So we have account, product and service, trade history and settlement. We have IPFS and the Ethereum blockchain. And here you have all about it. When you want to read it, you can just make it. And here's what is Timecoin. So as you can see, here is the buyer, so it can be you. And as you can see, is the payment for TCP transaction fees. It goes to the operators. A payment for goods or services traded in the dApps, it goes to the seller. And the allocation of rewards for TCP platform contributors, it goes to the contributors. And the Timecoin token is an Ethereum-based native token created to support the functions of the Timecoin protocol. The Timecoin token will function as the mean of payment for goods and services to users through the dApps built upon Timecoin protocol, the mean of payment for transaction fees, and the allocation of rewards for platform supporters. And here the reward mechanism. So you have the Timecoin issuance engine, Timecoin issuance, the Timecoin reward pool. It goes here to the Timecoin reward engine. As you can see, Timecoin rewards, so daily. And here as you can see, happened the whole thing. So here from the Timecoin reward engine goes the Timecoin reward, so it's 18% to the buyer, so the dApp user. As you can see, the transaction history and review, it goes to the seller, so the dApp user, and then it goes to the time score engine, so reflect in score, and then to the Timecoin reward engine again, so use for reward calculation. And from the Timecoin reward engine, the Timecoin reward 10% goes to the reward pool, and from reward pool to the contributor, and from the Timecoin reward engine, the Timecoin reward 10% goes also to the operator. And here you have the Timecoin protocol's dApp, so esports stars, esports challenge match dApp. So you can challenge professional esports players to develop and improve gaming skills. You can make money by playing exciting esports games. And here the esports stars website on Japanese, English or Chinese. And here the time ticket, so the TCP's dApp. And here you have the time ticket website also. And here the whitelist application. When you just click it, then if you like the input, you can just write your name, Ethereum address, amount of investing, so it's expected in US dollar, a mail address and the country, and then you got to submit and just confirm it. Here the proof of carrying application. So the step 1 is meet the conditions below. So follow their Twitter, join the Messenger group, so local, Telegram or WeChat. Step 2, do carrying, so contribution to the project. Third, submit the proof, and fourth, TIA confirmation. And here the TIA summary, as you can see. And the recommend activities of carrying, so supporting of building collaborations for esports stars, collaborate with game streamers, KOLs, game companies, and for Timecoin protocol, collaborate with other projects, general companies, KOL and fans. Writing and posting the review about Timecoin protocol, so blogs, media, YouTube, messenger groups, community sites, bulletin board or forums. Launch and moderate local communities. So there are special conditions applied: Korea, South of America, CIS countries, Africa, Southeast Asia, and translation, so white paper, official announcements, and posting it on local community or media, CNS. And here the frequently asked questions. So you have the questions, you have the answers, but when your question isn't here or your answer, then you can just contact the team on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Bitcoin Talk, LinkedIn, Telegram, WeChat, and when you have some ideas or problems, you can write here too, and some admins will just reply to you. Alright, so that's all the time I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and you will just go to the token sale and you will just apply. As I just said, it's very easy You can just click over there, write your email address, and then you got to agree these terms, then submit, confirm your email address, and then, as I already showed you it, you got to fill this whole thing up, and you can just apply the token sale. And it's very great idea to make it, because as you can see, the price change is 2850.79%, as I said. So I really recommend this site and recommend you to join the token sale. Alright, so we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.